Today we will do worksheet 6 question number 4. Arrange the following in ascending order. We have to given rational numbers and we have to arrange these rational in ascending order mean छोटे से बड़ा. Okay, how to do this? We have to given rationals. First we will take the LCM of denominator. Denominator is 7, 9 and 5. We will take the LCM of 7, 9 and 5. You will solve it by the long division method that we have done in the 6th class. The LCM will be 315 when you will solve it 315. Now 315, how to solve it? You will divide denominator to 315 and quotient multiply numerator. आप डिनोमिनेटर को डिवाइड करेंगे और जो क्वोशंट होगा उसको आप न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. व्हेन यू विल डिवाइड 7 दिस, सो क्वोशंट इज 45. जब आप 7 को 315 डिवाइड करेंगे क्वोशंट 45 एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय द न्यूमरेटर दैट इज 4. नेक्स्ट 9 डिवाइड दिस, इट विल बी 35. देखो आप इसको छुपा लो. 9 को जब आप छुपाएंगे तो 2 नंबर्स आर लेफ्ट 7 एंड 5. मल्टीप्लाई करवा दो. Okay, 7 5 is 35. So when you will divide it, so quotient is 35 and multiply with numerator 5. Next 5 divide this is will be 63 and multiply by 2. When you will solve it, it is 180, 175 and this is 126. You will separate with the same denominator. Denominator is same. 315, 315 and 315. Now write in the ascending order. The ascending order is smaller to bigger. It is a smaller number 126, this second and third. 126, 175 and 180. It is ascending order. But we will write the answer in the actual rational numbers. 126 के corresponding जो rational है that is 2 by 5. So we will put here 2 by 5. 175 की corresponding जो rational है that is 5 by 9. And the corresponding of 180 is 4 by 7. This is our required answer. Okay. These are the rational in ascending order. Now I am taking one more example. Question number 5, second part. We have to given the 4 rational numbers and we have to arrange in descending order here. Okay. Now see one thing in question number 5 and 4. In the first part of this, denominator is positive. These are in the standard form. But in this question and in this question, the denominator is negative here. So first make the denominator positive in standard form. Then we will solve the LCM. See, minus 7 by 10. You know very well how to make the denominator positive by multiply minus 1 in the numerator and in the denominator. When you will multiply, so numerator will become the negative and denominator will be positive. 19 by 30. When you will multiply by the minus 1 in the numerator and in the denominator, so both the numerator and denominator will become positive here. Now take the LCM of denominator, that is 10, 15, 30 and 5. That will be 30. You can solve by the long division method. Okay. LCM is 30. Now divide the LCM 10 by the denominator. Denominator को से आप divide करेंगे LCM को. 10 divide 30, quotient is 3 and 3 multiply minus 7. 3 multiply minus 7. Next 15 divide 30 is 2. 2 multiply the numerator minus 8. Next 30 divide 30 is 1. 1 multiply numerator 19. 5 divide 30 is 6. 6 multiply 2. That is minus 21, minus 16, 19, 12 by 13. Okay. Directly you can separate with the denominator 30. That is minus 21, 30 like this. Okay. Now we will arrange in descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. Okay, तो बड़ा नंबर आपका पॉजिटिव होगा, 19 इज बिगर, सो ये फर्स्ट नंबर पे आपका 19 आएगा, सेकंड 12 एंड थर्ड, इन दोनों में से बड़ा नंबर क्या होगा, -16 और -21, -16 इज ग्रेटर. ओके, 3 and it is 4. So this is the order: 19 by 30, 12 by 30, -16 by 30 and सबसे smaller number है -21 by 30. Now we will write according to the given statement. Okay, 19 by 30 की corresponding rational third position पर, that is 19 by 30 itself. 12 by 30 की corresponding number -2 by -5 and -16 by 30 की corresponding, that is 8 by -15, and the last, this is the corresponding rational is -7 by 10. This is our required answer. Easily you can solve the other parts. Thank you.